Salam Namaste. Welcome back to our channel Mummy and Me. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് 2 സെക്കൻഡ് ടൈം എടുത്തിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അപ്പോൾ കാണണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെൽ ഐക്കോൺ കൂടി അമർത്തുക. Now, without any further ado, let's get started.
Hello people, how are you all? I hope everyone's doing really good and fine. So basically, what we're going to do today is we are going to make some yum Loki, stuffed Loki. So there's a history behind today's video, okay? So I am a very healthy girl. So back in India, back in Kerala, at my native place, everyone is like, "Arey, wo dekho jari." Okay, fine, I'm jari. Kya karu? मैं बढ़ जाऊँ, मेरी कोई feelings नहीं. So basically, it gets into our head, right? Like people talk, people do that, people do. I was like, okay, fine. Let me do something. Let me take a step ahead, and I got all motivated, and my mom is like, okay, you can do it. So like every day, सुबह उठ के पहले तो I used to do all those, सूर्य नमस्कार, योगा करो, ये करो, and then उसके बाद the worst, I used to drink लौकी का जूस. People imagine लौकी और जूस, लौकी का भाजी खा लूँगी, ये खा लूँगी, लेकिन उसको मिक्सी में ग्राइंड करके जूस करके पीना कितना हार्ट ब्रेकिंग होता है. I almost had this juice for 3 months or something, and I got real nice change. Like मैं पतली हो गई थोड़ा सा, but then मेरे से और वो the taste of the juice was, I couldn't bear it. So I'm like, okay, I'm done with all the dieting, everything. But now 3 years later, my mom's like, okay, fine, you know what, you remember the day we used to drink Loki ka juice? And she never drank. She always like, Disha ye piyo, Disha wo piyo. But now she was like, oh my god, dieting has become easier now. Now you can eat, stuffed Loki. And also wait, I'll explain you what stuffed Loki. So basically what stuffed Loki means is 3 main ingredients we have over here. So in this, 3 main ingredients are corn flour, which is healthier than maida, so shush. We have corn flour, we have eggs, and we have Loki. So eggs in here, plays the role of giving you protein, I guess. So yeah, that is that. And yes, I'm so sad because 3 years ago there was nothing of this sort that we could make and eat when we're dieting. So that's a sad thing. But yes, for you all to make it, to make your dieting easy, here we present you stuffed Loki, of how to make stuffed Loki. So enjoy this video, and also yes, please मेहरबानी करके try करना और comments में बताना कैसा बना. So yes, I guess that is all. I'm gonna pack. Now without any further ado, let's get onto the video. But wait, you all know the drill. Do like this video, share this video with your family and friends, and also yes, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And I don't know why you haven't already, but yes, subscribe. And now बहुत पक कर लिया मैंने. Now let's get onto the video. So now here are the ingredients we need. Firstly, our star ingredient, that is Loki. We need Loki. Next, we need some finely chopped. We need some finely chopped chilies, tomatoes, and onions. And coming into the masala is very basic and simple. We have salt, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili powder. Then we have 2 eggs, and last but not least, we have some corn flour slurry ready. So yes, that is all the ingredients we need for making stuffed Loki. So now without any further ado, let's get on to the recipe. So now we are peeling the skin off. Dudiya mummy?
Yes.
Yeah. So now after this I'll show you what we're gonna do. So now we have finished peeling the skin of our Loki. Now what we're gonna do next is we're gonna cut the Loki, and I will be showing you how do you do that. Yeah mummy, let's go.
Yes.
So people, this is the way you have to cut apna lauki, yeah, dudi, bottle gourd, whatever you say it. So yeah. Okay, so here this is our lauki. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna nicely boil this lauki, with thoda sa namak, and then let this cook properly. Now let this cook properly, and then now I'll show you what the next step is. Let's go. Okay, so firstly into our eggs we'll be adding onions, and then next we'll be adding tomatoes, and then lastly we'll be adding mirchi, a green chili which we had finely chopped and kept aside. And for additional flavor, we're gonna add dhania, which is coriander leaves. So chop them finely and we're gonna add into this, and yes, there you go. That is something amazing. Now we'll be adding salt. We are adding 1 teaspoon, otherwise you can add swad anusar, and 1 teaspoon of haldi, and then 1 teaspoon of lal mirch powder, Kashmiri chili powder, yeah.
Little garam masala.
Yeah, also a little bit of garam masala.
Masala also is optional if you like, okay.
There you go. So everything is ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna beat this very nicely and let all the ingredients mix well with each other. And yes, let's see what the next step is. So now we made apna ande ka bhurji, mummy, sort of. Okay, wait. Yeah. So now it's ande ka bhurji sort of thing. We made already karai hai, and then you can see the bhurji type thing.
Now we will take this and we will mix our anda ka burji, okay, one side. Then we have to catch this. You may be thinking it will come down. No, it will not, okay. And we will just dip in this. That corn flour slurry.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry our lauki stuffed lauki. I'm sorry. So like it's been ages that we always use iron ka kadai. So it'll be better, and that authentic taste thing, mummy. Yeah, we'll get that. So now our oil is quite hot, and there you go. Our lauki is all inside and it's frying.
Okay. Let it cook one side, then we can just.
Alrighty, our stuffed lauki is all ready to eat. So now without any further ado, first मैं तो ये खाऊंगी because it looks so yummy, like oh my god. So let's go. Okay, this is how it looks. Oh, hold on, I'll show how it looks and all in the next clip. So. Right now, like seriously, to be honest, I'm speechless because itna tasty lauki ka something I haven't had in my entire life. Like lauki is something we all hate. Like bottle gourd, who likes, yeah. So this, after this, though, I love lauki. Lauki is my favorite sabji. So this is something you should all try at home, and let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. And you all might be thinking कि सिर्फ अंडा खा सकते क्या? So vegetarian people also need something protein का in intake and all. So that's why all the vegetarians out there, you can use paneer, you know, because वो भी dairy product है, eggs नहीं तो पनीर. That is an alternative you can use. So yeah, here today we eat non-veg, so why not opt non-veg? Anda is done, so that's why we used egg today. Yes, I guess that is all for today's video. So this is a quite healthy recipe, so you all should try this at home and let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. And yes, if you do not want to deep fry it, it's okay, you can shallow fry it also. So yeah, now I'll be ending this video because I gotta eat it. And also yeah, I forgot to tell what you can serve this with. You can serve, you know, if you're going on to healthy, मेरे को healthy खाना है, healthy, so you can either eat chutney or ऐसे ही खा लो. And the people who are, you know, like a junk, so you can eat ketchup and mayonnaise. So here I had it, the thing with some mayonnaise, homemade mayonnaise. So inshallah soon one video we'll make of how to make homemade mayonnaise. So yes, that is all for today's video, and enjoy your stuffed Loki. And until we meet next time, take care of yourself and your loved ones.